Okay, so how do I actually use this thing?
Don't worry, let me show you how to measure TDS at home. Super easy steps. First things first, TDS stands for Total Dissolved Solids. It tells us how many dissolved particles like salts and minerals are present in your water. Step 1. Take your TDS meter and make sure it's clean and dry before you use it. Step 2. Dip the TDS meter into a glass of water, but make sure you don't submerge it past the safety line. Step 3. Wait a few seconds for the reading to stabilize, and there it is. It's that simple.
So what does this number actually mean?
Up to 200 ppm, safe and healthy for drinking. This is where most good tap water or RO water falls. 201 to 500 ppm, drinkable, but starting to get higher in dissolved solids and may taste bitter. Above 500 ppm might be a red flag. This could mean too many salts, minerals, or even harmful contaminants.
Mine's at 180 ppm. That's safe, right?
Yeah, if it gets much higher than 200 ppm, you might want to get a water purifier or check for contaminants.
So that's it. Just dip and check.
Exactly! Measuring your water's TDS at home is that easy. Got your TDS meter ready? If you want more tips like these, hit the subscribe button.
And remember, don't just guess. Measure your water's TDS for peace of mind.